Since the Challenger came back for the 2008 model year, we've tested just about every variant, and there are a lot of them, including this 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack Widebody. Now, like I said, we have tested this car before, but what we have not done is gotten into the really cool and really fun standard performance features with any great detail. I'm not trying to run times here. I just want to demonstrate the line lock feature and launch control.
Before we get into it, some quick stats as a refresher. The Scat Pack uses the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 with 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. This car has the $6,000 wide-body package, which adds 3.5 inches in width, 305/35 series Pirelli rubber all around, as well as unique suspension tuning. All told, this example comes in at just over $55,000 and can run the quarter mile in an estimated 12.1 seconds at 112 miles per hour. This all makes it perhaps one of the best bang for your buck performance cars on the market.
All right, so we're inside, and I'll just go through what you would do to make use of these track apps. I'm already in the performance pages and I have track selected. So what I'm going to do is go to race options and let's activate line lock control. Press and hold the brakes down to about 2,000 PSI and holding OK. Now I'm letting go of the brake and applying throttle. There we go. So easy to do line lock. And now we're going to go into launch control. Easy as selecting that. You can go and select your RPMs at this point. Track temperature is cold, so again, I'm going to start, let's start at 1800. And all you have to do is activate launch control, applying the brake, full throttle, letting go of the brake. Oh, that's really good. Yeah, that's the start we wanted, and that was only 1800 RPM. There it is. It's pretty easy to use. Line lock's easy, launch control's easy, and if you're ever in a situation where you can use this on a track, don't do it on the street, be safe, and have fun.